All right, so one of our questions in chapter 4.4, I'm just going to show it right now. You can pause your video and read it even better. But it's my fourth question on my homework. Okay, so it says Player A led a baseball league in runs batted in 2006. Okay, so we're dealing with, woo, watch it, ladies. All right, so we're dealing with a player A and a player B. So those are going to be my two things that I'm going to have as X and Y. So I'm going to put player A, we're going to call X, and player B, we're going to call Y. All right. So, player B, who came in second to player A, so player B came in second, had 16 fewer runs batted in for 2006 season. Together, these two players brought home 236 runs. So the first equation I'm going to have is X plus Y. Player 1 plus player B brought in 236. Okay, so that's my first equation. The other one is, and then it says, how many runs batted in did player A and B each account for? All right, so player B came in second to player A, had 16 fewer runs batted in. So, let's see here. Okay, so my other equation is going to be, it said player B, came in second to player A. So player A equals player B, who came into second with 16 fewer. Oh, let me do that the other way. It would be B equals A minus 16. However many player A got, minus the 16. So these are your two equations. And then you just solve whichever method you want. So I like substitution method because it's already set up for B equals. So I'm just going to take this and in place of, we change our B's and Y's to X's. And remember, B is Y and A was X. So it's going to be X minus 16. All right, so we're going to take X minus 16, and in place of Y up here, we're going to plug that in. So we're going to say X plus, but in place of Y, we're going to plug in X minus 16 equals 236. Okay, and then just solve it. So X plus X, it's 2X minus 16 equals 236. We got to solve algebraically, so we're going to add 16 to both sides, because whatever I do to one side, I got to do the other. So I have 2x equals, that's 2, carry the 1, that's 5, 252. Then divide by 2, and we get x equals, let's see, 252 divided by 2. I should be able to do that in my head, but that might take me a second longer. X equals 126. So X is 126, so player A is going to be 126. Well, now we got to find out what Y is, so we're going to take that and plug it in up here. So 126 minus 16, and that's going to give us 0, 1, 110. So our answers should be player A is 126 and player B is 110.